Alright, so we're going to import a file here, create some G-code, and get our part running. So first I got my part up here, the Fender support. I'm going to bring that in. I already went and took some additional steps so I wouldn't have to spend too much time on video. So I've got my parts are all nested out as tightly as I can make them, knowing the kerf width of my cuts is going to get pretty close but shouldn't hit the parts. And the first thing I want to do is identify the inside cuts. So I want to go to the layers and pick out all the insides. I'm in sheet cam. And then I want to go and give that the tool paths. And then I went back with the start points, and I moved the start points around so they wouldn't start in the corners. I get better cut quality that way. Next, I did the outside. Pretty much just repeated the same process. Moved my cut points around so that they all started at the same point, so I know what consistently my machine's going to do as I make each cut. Alright, so now I got my Mach 3 opened up. So next I need to load that Fender support. After I've done it in sheet cam, it's going to run through all the G-code here, and it's going to bring up a representation here. Just looking around, I got my preset volts. I don't use my torch height control for thicker metals. I just find that it creates more problems than it's worth. Typically I don't have any issues with cut quality when I'm cutting thicker metal. In this case it's going to be 10 gauge. So that's next step. Once this loads, I'll fire up the machine and I'll get you some time lapse for that.